You want to learn how to cook Jamaican style brown stew cow foot with butter beans? This is a step-by-step recipe for you. Watch to the end. Look at this. Nice and tasty. This is the cow foot I'm going to brown stew. Just need to wash it with lime before me season it up. Now I'm going to season the cow foot. 2 tablespoons all-purpose seasoning. 1 teaspoon onion powder. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon ginger powder. Teaspoon pimento. 2 tablespoons green seasoning. 1 teaspoon grace browning. 5 cubes garlic chop. 3 stalk scallions chop. 1 Scotch bonnet pepper chop without the seeds. 1 small onion diced up. Now I'm going to make it marinate for 4 hours before I cook it. This the pot I'm going to use. Add oil. I'm going to add thyme, fresh ginger, garlic. Now I'm going to pan-sear the cow foot them first. We're going to pan-sear them for 6 minutes, 3 minutes on each side. Now I'm going to flip them over for 3 more minutes on the next side. It is a total of 6 minutes. Remove them from the pot. So this the bowl the cow foot seasoning in. So I'm going to scrape out all the seasoning from it. Now add 3 cups of water. Add back the cow foot inside. Now I'm going to allow the cow foot to cook for an hour and 45 minutes. The cow foot been cooking for an hour and 45 minutes now. Now I'm going to add sweet pepper, scallions and onion. Going to add carrots. Going to add fresh thyme, butter beans. Now I'm going to turn down the stove and cover the pot for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the cow foot is ready to serve. Okay, here you have it. Now I'm going to serve a plate. Okay, look at this, my people. Jamaican style brown stew cow foot. So here, I have some vegetables and I have some creamy mashed potato over here. Cooked to perfection. Look. Nice and tasty.